Rosa Harradine. I'm a broom and brush maker. I originally did a degree in music, and after I finished that I felt like I wanted to work with my hands and make something tangible, I suppose, in the way that music isn't really tangible. I find my work quite meditative. I enjoy spending a lot of time working on my own because it gives me time to think about things that you don't really get very much in your day-to-day life. Spending time out in my workshop is really nice as well because it's a building and it's inside, but it's in my garden and I almost feel like I'm outside, like with the birds and the rain on the roof quite frequently. It's a nice space to work in. Yeah, it's surprisingly hard work, but it's nice. I think that difficulty is what makes it so satisfying, so rewarding to make them, because it is still like just the right amount of challenging for me, but it's really engaging.